The Optimeiddio retrofit programme is led by the Welsh Government and it involves renovating homes to a high standard, which involves insulation and renewable energy technologies. Sian, our administrator, will call the tenant to arrange time for a surveyor and myself to visit. We'll call around, the surveyor will undertake some surveys and I'll discuss with the tenant what the Optimeiddio retrofit programme is all about and what measures will be undertaken. From the time we get the surveys, depending on the timescales and the funding that comes in from the Welsh Government will depend how quickly we do the work. For instance, if you're having windows and doors, it's normally 3 to 4 weeks from the time the window company come to measure the doors or windows to the time that they install. With the solar panels, you'll have plenty of notice. I'll pop round and let you know that you are going to be having solar panels. At the same time, you may well need newer loft insulation or more loft insulation. If this is the case, we'll do it at the same time as we do the solar panel work, so it's less disruption in your home.
It's over quite quickly. We clean up after ourselves, make it all decent, and in the end they're going to benefit, exceptionally from what's being put in. 60% cut on the electricity bill on a good day. I'm running off a battery system through the evening and obviously being more eco-friendly.
I've had results come through from tenants that have really shown a big difference in energy. Their homes are a lot more energy efficient, and when they've had the new triple glazed windows fitted, it really does make a difference to their energy, and a lot of tenants have said it's really improved their lives because it's much warmer in their homes.
On a good sunny day you should be able to run most of the house just on solar panels themselves. What's not used, we'll top the battery up, and then the battery is what you use in the evening, and that'll run small appliances, laptops, tablets, and you'll run solely on the battery for the evening, so you're saving yourself everything on your bills.
It's saving us a fortune at the moment. We had no problems. As I said, everything they did, they explained what was going on, and they were happy, smiling. Max out of 10?
Yeah.
11. They were brilliant. They kept us informed of everything they were doing. Clean, tidy, couldn't fault them.
I think in today's world, with climate change and the environment changing constantly, it's good that we keep up to date with what's going on within the world. Obviously, homes do produce a lot of carbon, therefore, by doing the retrofit, we are helping the environment, and not only the families that live in it, but the families of tomorrow as well.